Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall OBS plugins safely. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall OBS plugins safely, begin by launching the OBS Studio application on your computer. Once OBS is open, navigate to the Tools menu located at the top of the window. In the drop-down menu, select Scripts. In the Scripts window, you will see a list of installed plugins and scripts. Identify the plugin you wish to uninstall from the list. Click on the plugin to highlight it. Next, click the Remove button located on the right side of the window. Confirm the action when prompted to ensure you want to remove the selected plugin. After successfully removing the plugin, close the Scripts window. Now, exit OBS to allow the changes to take effect. Next, to ensure the plugin is completely uninstalled, open File Explorer. Navigate to the OBS Studio installation directory. Typically, this can be found in the C:\program files /OBS Studio folder. From there, go to the OBS plugins directory. Locate the relevant plugin folder that corresponds to the one you uninstalled. Right-click on the folder and select Delete to remove it permanently. If there are additional configuration files associated with the plugin, locate the basic folder within the OBS directory. Check in the basic folder under Profiles or Scenes for any leftover configuration files. Delete any remaining files related to the uninstalled plugin. After all files are removed, restart your computer to finalize the uninstallation process. With these steps, you have successfully uninstalled the OBS plugin safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.